Okay, another day, another dollar. Let's see what happened today. Oh, look at that beautiful hammer. Beautiful hammer. So tomorrow we're just going to look for a break of that hammer. The momentum's still down on the daily, but the 60-minute looks like the momentum's rolling around. I mean, we won't jump the gun. But the other thing that's encouraging is that we've already had, that's our 4th down day in this trip. Usually doesn't do that. Or, you know, a 5th day is kind of rare. So you could look for retrace and see how it ends up. It may give us a divergence. We'll see. But we'll look for a break of that hammer tomorrow. Good swing trade if it breaks. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not too crazy about El Salvador. That's rather negative. Could be setting up a flag right here. Momentum is still moving down. If it breaks today's low tomorrow, then you have a daily bull flag, which means a pretty good move down. Consolidation on the 60. Momentum's rolling over, but it's not showing me the entry. I would enter on that daily flag if it happens. What else do we want to look at? Interest rates are moving down. The consolidating doesn't really mean anything. And let's take a look at AMC. Indecisive bar. Nice move up, got hammered back down, closed in the middle. Just an indecisive bar. It's not telling me anything. Momentum is trending up. I don't see any entry on the daily. We're bullish on the 60s as far as price action goes, but looks like the momentum is fading off. I'm not too impressed by that. So for me, it'd be a watch and see. I don't see an entry there. And you know what? I'm not interested in anything else. So basically, I'm going to wrap it up here. So everybody just remember to be calm and trade. Oh, man. Oh, no, that's cool. It showed. Okay, good. I'm going with that one. All right, so just be calm. Be at peace when you're trading. No emotion. And good luck trading.